it's me, Katie, and I'm with
dakayla.
Yes, and just to give you guys a little bit of an update, I dyed my hair pink and it's now fading. I got a Musical.ly shirt and I got a new Snapchat. It'll be down in the description. KHubener13. Go follow. And now for the video.
Okay.
What are we doing?
Opening slime that we bought
Yeah.
from Kitty Cat Slime Lover.
Yeah.
And as you can see, she just used paper to put on the top of it. Like,
Just, throw it in my face, why don't you?
and there's a note.
There's a note.
$450 for what?
I thought
Wait,
wait.
what did we? Oh my good God. Okay. Pink Foam, 1. Red Mega Foam, 1 of them. Regular Blue Slime, 1. Jumbo Squishies, Starbucks, Popcorn, Pineapple, Rainbow Donut, Bread Bun, Croissant, and Cupcake, and Borax, and total is $450.
I didn't know she took that out of our account, but okay.
We're just gonna step.
Do you
Guessing this is
open that bag up first?
I'm guessing this is an extra. It's lotion.
Yeah. Okay.
But she said no extras. Literally, she just look. It says no extras. Literally no extras. Okay. This isn't as jumbo. Like, it's supposed to be jumbo. That's not even Starbucks, bro.
That's not Starbucks.
And this isn't jumbo. This isn't a jumbo popcorn. This isn't a jumbo pineapple.
It's not really Starbucks. Like
And we also ordered a cupcake. It looks pretty good.
yeah.
Well, this is kind of defected. So, and then this isn't a jumbo rainbow donut. This isn't a jumbo bread bun either. Oh, it fell on the floor. Oh, well, just.
Okay.
And our borax is open.
Oh, that's.
See? Freaking borax is open, bro.
And like half of it is used.
Ew!
Ew!
There's hair and slime in here. And then our blue regular slime, it's Sky Dream Semi Flown. We didn't order Flown.
I'm not touching that.
Like, bro, we ordered.
We're on my bed, by the way, and I don't want to get any slime on here.
We ordered regular blue slime, not a slime with beads or freaking a Flown. We ordered a regular slime, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
And also, this is not our so I'm guessing this was supposed to be our regular blue slime.
Yeah.
I'm assuming. And this is, I guess, our red mega foam. And it doesn't look like foam though. Like, we didn't even order this in it.
Ew,
Like,
what is that?
It has little stuff in it, and then there's like beads and crap in it. Where are the beads? Like, look, there's flipping beads in our slime that we didn't even order. This isn't even a flown.
It like hurts your hands to touch it.
For real, because there's like pokey stars and stuff in here. And then I'm guessing this is our pink flown. That is not flown. That is not flown. Like, this is not flown. Okay, your bag. Wait, why did she give us 2?
I don't know, and I'm scared.
Yeah,
Because I took a peek in this earlier, and
I am so calling her about this. Here, look in there and see if anything's on there. Like, this is unacceptable, dude.
there's no number. By the way, she didn't leave a number in her bio, so like, how are we gonna?
Hold on.
And she deleted her thing.
I have another note. She left it in our mailbox.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get it.
Okay. Okay. So, while she's doing that, I'm going to show you what's in this bag. what is this? What is that? What it?
Okay, so I found the paper, and it says 936-016-2981 Kitty Cat Lover. We're gonna be calling that.
Look at this. Ew.
What the?
You want the? I don't want that.
We're gonna be giving that away in our. It's 11/11. 11/17 now. So I'm gonna be calling this number like right now. If y'all don't believe me.
I don't play with Legos anymore, or build them or anything anymore.
Okay, so 936-016. Oh my God! What, is that a freaking wow? 016 2981, bro. 2981.
It lights up. I know what this is. Okay.
Hello? Yeah,
I know what this is. This is
I'll tell
one
you
of those
later.
things that you throw at the bottom of the pool and you go and dive to get. But like,
that doesn't look like that though, bro.
shut up. But like, oh my God. Okay, we're just gonna have to end it here.
I'll be
Go-
on most of her videos.
Yes.
Hold on. Let me see what my YouTube channel is though, bro. Like, bro. I got a YouTube channel too.
You do? Oh my God.
Yeah.
Say it.
I don't know it.
Wait, are my videos? Oh yeah, and I deleted some of my videos
So my channel, oh my God, it's loading.
only because I'm starting the new year. New me, I'm leaving behind all the 2017 mess.
My channel is Dakayla Cheyenne. Go follow it.
You have 3 subscribers.
Yeah, that's because I started like
Subscriptions.
4 months ago.
Oh, you subscribed to me. Yay. Okay, be sure you're like her and you subscribe and yeah, hit that notification bell.
Okay,
and
it's like
to get,
not loading though.
to get notified every time I post. And yeah, I guess that's
That is
it.
mine right there, and then hers is like that.
Thank you. Just get out of my frame.
Hers
Thank
is.
you. Thanks.
I'm showing them yours.
They're on if they're watching this video,
people, you
stupid.
idiot. That's her picture.
I swear, she's done. Ah!